Good morning, Jeff Hale here with Kaizink. Quick tutorial on how to clean out the filter on the dishwasher. If you find the dishwasher is starting to have a little bit of a smell, that just means that there's some food buildup probably, or some dirt grime buildup on the filter. So I'm just gonna open it up here, pull out the bottom tray, and if you look down here, you're gonna see this little circle. Turn that counterclockwise, pull it out, just bring it over to the sink, and you can see here, we're just gonna rinse that out. See the grime on it? That's probably what we're smelling. Get that cleaned out. And it right back into the hole here, and you'll just turn it counterclockwise, locks it back in, you're good to go. Thank you. Have a good day.